shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. This is disgusting.
What are you doing?
Yes.
I'm ashamed of
That's a window.
I can't do cartwheels.
Okay.
And I can see all kinds of things in the air. Hey, let's watch me roll a cigarette. That sounds exciting.
You know what? It'll be even better because I'm spinning. That'll be
yes. Spinny cigarette.
spinny cigarettes.
Do-do-do, I got some apples. Do-do-do, you got some too. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. This paper's not coming out, you motherfucker.
Oh.
You sexy motherfucker.
Yes.
Sexy motherfucker. First you fold the paper in half, just about under the gum line.
Okay.
Okay? And you hold it open in your hand very neatly. And you pinch off some tobacco inside. I pinched off a lot, but usually not as much as most. And then you roll it like you're rolling some clay between this finger, your index finger, and your thumb.
Yes.
Yes!
Yeah.
I'm teaching you all bad things.
I like some nachos, yes.
Yes! I can spell my name. Frankfurter.
F-R-E-D-D-U-R-G-E-R.
Yes! Oh, yes!
Yay!
Cigarette. I will be the ultimate of cool with the polluting thing, and then I will cough my lungs up.
Yes, that's the cancer taking hold.
Yay, cancer!
It's delicious. It has a smooth flavor.
I'm getting closer to reaching my goal of being more like Deadpool.
You know?
Next, I'll need to be put into the Weapons X project.
It's taking forever with that cigarette.
What? Fuck you. Okay?
You should be nice to me because
I love you.
that cigarette is 100% pure orangutan.
I see Ray's hat. I'm going to put it on my head because she's not going to be here to yell at me.
Oh, that's the funny child he had.
Yes.